Have you actually looked at the ingredients of the healthier taco seasoning packets lately? Or the price? Today, we're making a Copycat Siete Taco Seasoning, and we'll do the math to see how much we save. If you read the ingredients, you'll see how they sneak in ingredients that are just not necessary, and this one contains 3. And they're just not necessary. So we're building our base with chili powder, paprika, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, salt, black pepper, and cayenne. Feel free to adjust that to your taste for spice level. So I was able to get some ground beef yesterday from our H-E-B, $4.99 a pound, and this is 4.9 pounds, so $20.41. So we are going to cook up a couple of pounds and test this seasoning, and if it turns out to be comparable, then I'm going to make a bulk batch, and I'll show you that as well. The test of a great taco seasoning is how it cooks. So let's cook some and do a taste test. 20 ounces. Because remember, when you're cooking meat, it does cook down, and if you put a pound of meat in your pan, you're not going to get a pound of the finished product. And nobody has time for that. Let's just give it a little mix, chop, stir. Just continue to break it up into whatever size pieces you like. Okay, and now we start on the other one. Now we are going to move the, you can see that there is grease in there, but it's not swimming in grease, so I'm not going to take any of that out. And we're going to put about a tablespoon of tomato paste in each skillet. So let that tomato paste cook for about a minute and release all of its delicious umami flavors. And once that's cooked for about a minute, just combine it into the meat. And then we will add the seasoning and let that cook for 2 or 3 minutes and toast those seasonings and bring in all those good flavors when it combines with the oil and the heat. And then we'll add 1/3 a cup of water, combine it, let it simmer 3 or 4 minutes to thicken up without any of those weird thickeners, yeast, or sugars. This seasoning comes together so quickly, and I would bet that you have all of the ingredients in your pantry as we sit here and watch this video. And if that's the case, it will cost you nothing because you already have the ingredients on hand. The full recipe and the math breakdown will be in the description for you. It's so budget friendly. And now it's almost time for the taste test. I'm so excited. So this one is the Siete seasoning. And this one is the one that we made. Sorry, I made a mess on the bowl. So you can see that they look exactly the same. Okay, time for the taste test. So this is the Siete, this is the homemade. So let's just try the homemade first. That's really good. Tastes like taco seasoning. Comparing them side by side, you can taste the sweetener, the dates, in the Siete, which is probably why it tastes so good. It's supposed to be such a healthier option, and maybe it is. There's a fly dive bombing me, and it's annoying me to no end. I have this handy little racket that's electrified, but every time I pick it up, it flies off. So, Siete. As good as it always is. And the homemade. Oh, I missed him. So the homemade is very, very good. And I will be making a bulk batch of this. The Siete seasoning is that date sugar, I'm assuming, is adding something that is very pleasing to the taste buds, but I don't want that. This is just as good, and I will be using this from now on. I would also say that in the homemade version, they put a half a teaspoon of salt. I would bump that up just a little bit. On Carnivore, you need extra salt anyway. Where are you, fly? Sorry, but you cannot live here. For the bulk batch, we're going to use 6 tablespoons of chili powder, 3 tablespoons of cumin, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 2 tablespoons onion powder, 2 tablespoons smoked paprika, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1.25 tablespoons of dried oregano, 1.5 tablespoons of black pepper, and half of a tablespoon of cayenne. So again, this is good for at least 6 months in your pantry. So you're saving every time you have taco night. If this saved you a few bucks on your grocery bill, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. Homemade, do it yourself, save money, Copycat Siete Taco Seasoning. Don't forget to pray over your food. God bless you and keep you. Until next time, friends.